Welcome to Learn Python Fast, a practical guide. This guide is designed to help you master Python quickly, even if you're new to programming. We'll explore proven strategies to accelerate your learning and build real-world skills, taking you from beginner to proficient in just weeks. Setting clear goals is crucial. Define specific projects like web scraping or game development. Choose a learning path aligned with these goals. For example, data analysis might involve pandas and NumPy. Avoid tutorial hell by applying your knowledge immediately. Focus on core Python fundamentals, the 20% that gives 80% of results. Understand data types like integers and strings. Control flow with if/else statements and data structures such as lists and dictionaries. Mastering these basics is key to your success. Efficient learning techniques like active recall and spaced repetition can enhance retention. Test yourself frequently and review material at increasing intervals. Utilize tools like Anki and flashcards to reinforce your learning effectively. Hands-on practice is essential. Start with small projects like a calculator, then increase complexity with web scrapers. Find project ideas on platforms like GitHub or Kaggle. Building projects solidifies your understanding and boosts confidence. Leverage online resources to enhance your learning. Python documentation is the official source of truth. Use Stack Overflow for problem solving and join Reddit communities like r/learnpython for support and insights from fellow learners. Embrace errors as learning opportunities. Carefully read error messages and use debuggers like Pavey. Break down problems into smaller parts to manage complexity. This approach will improve your problem-solving skills and resilience. Consistency and perseverance are keys to long-term success. Dedicate time each day or week to learning. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. This commitment will ensure steady growth.